Check out our newest social media planner update. Now you can add in multiple Pinterest accounts. This feature allows you to connect and manage multiple Pinterest accounts within the social media planner. This is going to enhance your social media management capabilities. This is really going to help you streamline your management because now you can utilize and manage multiple Pinterest accounts from one central location. It's also going to help you enhance organization because now you can keep both your business and your personal Pinterest boards separate while accessing all of this from within the same social media platform. This is also seriously going to improve productivity. Now you can schedule and post content across various Pinterest accounts without needing to switch platforms. So, if you run a small business and you manage multiple Pinterest accounts for different product lines, brands, or anything else, now you can easily plan, schedule, and even post your content to all of your accounts from the social media planner, maintaining consistent online presence. Let me show you exactly where to find this update and how to set this up. First, this is a marketing feature, so you're going to go to marketing in the left-hand navigation, and then in the upper navigation, I'm going to have you access the social planner. From there, you're going to click the gear icon and you're going to take the next step. Now, let's go ahead and connect your social settings. Go ahead and access social accounts and then click on plus connect social. From there, let's go ahead and select connect Pinterest in the pop-up menu. Now connect your Pinterest account and give access. Here is where you can add Pinterest mobile. So you're going to search your Pinterest account and you're going to go ahead and add. Now let's create a Pinterest post. So within the social planner, you're going to click on plus new post, and then in that drop down menu, you're going to click plus create new post. And very similar to all of the other social posts, you're going to go ahead and click on that, set it all up, and make sure to select Pinterest. You'll go ahead and you'll fully configure the post, the content, the title, and the link. Now let's go ahead and add your board. So select that board or you can create a new board. Here's what it looks like to create a new board. You'll name it and then you'll hit create. You can also view all of your boards within the social planner. The multiple Pinterest accounts integration is going to simplify your social media management. It's also going to enhance your organization and seriously boost productivity. We hope you enjoyed this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.